Frantz Fanon is a Martinique-born philosopher. He was a leader in the Algerian Revolution. He fought on the side of the French during World War II and was friends with Jean-Paul Sartre and other famous existentialist philosophers at that time. All across the world, Fanon's writings are used by oppressed people to imagine or to reimagine or to repackage their fight against colonialism, neocolonialism, and neoliberalism. The Community Strategy Center itself is envisioned in the beginning, and I think is beginning more so as each year passes, to transform itself into a hub of organizing for Northern Arizona. I mean, our hope is in the future that we'll be able to provide consulting services for community organizations around the country to be able to call in, to get advice from the professors that are here, but also then that we'll be able to place our students in contact with those organizations to help them develop strategy and ideas about how to take on the issues where they're at. Our hope really is that in doing that we can begin to introduce on a broader scale the ideas of anti-colonialism, to provide a real critique to neocolonialism, to be able to really think about what liberation means. You know, Prescott College is dedicated to resistance. This is a place where students can come to learn how to make a difference in the world.